Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. For today's video, I wanted to show you guys what I eat in a day as a ballerina, and I figured what better timing than now when Dose Juice is offering a Black Friday sale. You can choose both when and where you want to receive your box, containing juices which are 100% organic to reduce the risk of drinking pesticides as much as possible and to protect our planet from chemicals. As you can see, I paired my breakfast oatmeal with this celery juice, and for lunch I had these veggie tofu sesame noodles with the taxi juice from Dose Juice. The taxi juice from Dose Juice is my favorite. It contains pineapple, lime, and mint, and this juice is full of vitamin C. Especially since it's the height of cold and flu season, I always try to stock up on as much vitamin C as I can. This juice is a great source of it. I also had to try the new Starbucks sugar cookie latte, and I always bring lots of snacks to the studio. The next morning, I woke up to a blizzard, and I'm somebody who needs coffee first thing in the morning. I love this new mug that my mom got me. It has a little snowman on the top. If you didn't watch the last vlog, go check it out because I show you. My mom just always manages to find the most adorable and cozy and festive mugs. Guys, holy cannoli, it is snowing so much outside. Also, hello, hi there, my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. You guys know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because you're already here anyways. Today it's so snowy outside. We are like in the middle of November and I think there's at least a foot and a half of snow outside. Very fortunate that I don't have to leave the house today. I will, however, go out to take Elsa on a walk because it's really pretty outside. I don't love driving in the snow and I don't love going out in the snow, but I love the look of it. So I want to get some cute pictures and videos of Elsa in the snow because it's just so pretty and magical and it makes me so excited for Christmas and the holidays and Nutcracker season. That being said, since Nutcracker season is approaching, I have a goal for next year after the new year to be able to form 2 variations, and one of which is going to be Sugar Plum Fairy. I want to be able to teach that in my classes as well as actually dance it for myself just as a personal goal. So I'm going to do a ballet class right now. I woke up at 7 this morning, got really anxious about some things I didn't get done the other day. So I started at 7 a.m. and finished my admin work at 9, and then I taught a class from 9 till 10. It's about 10:30 now. I did some more admin work because I have a video going out today that's sponsored, and I'm just about to start getting ready for the rest of the day. Like guys, the room is a mess because I literally rolled out of bed and was like, I gotta do this right now. I was just so energized. I felt like I had to get the stuff done that I didn't get done this week. So I'm just on a roll, but I do want to implement some dancing in the week still. I went to the studio last night to teach, and I went to the studio for 3 nights this week to teach and to dance. So I feel like I'm in pretty good shape to start variations next week in the studio. However, I still need to keep on the ball of things, meaning I'm gonna go do class now. I don't know, I've had a lot of coffee and not a lot of, just had a lot of coffee. So my brain's kind of like scrambling all over the place. I also want to do what I eat in a day today because I went to Costco yesterday and I can show you guys a normal day in the life of what I eat when I actually have groceries in the house, because the past few weeks we have not had groceries in the house. So it's been very sad meals, but now we have lots of things and I can cook more nutritious and delicious foods. That being said, let's go put on some pointe shoes and let's dance. I also didn't put on makeup this morning because I literally rolled out of bed and got to work. I just did a little bit of makeup and I'm going to go get the laundry out of the dryer and just throw it on the bed for now. And then I'm actually going to do my pointe work and my ballet practice. I just finished doing a ballet class and I looked outside. It's so pretty. It doesn't look like the best weather to walk in, but Elsa needs her exercise too, so I'm gonna take her outside to walk and probably to play. And I had to put on my warmest clothes because it does look really cold out. Put on these joggers that are so thick. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but they're so thick and warm and cozy. I have my root sweater on. I have 3 pairs of socks on and tights underneath this because it looks cold. And I'm gonna go out with the doggy. I mean, just look at it. It looks magical.
What a weird dog. Are you kidding me? Look at the front deck. Like, look at my car.
Surprisingly enough, it's not actually that cold. It's just a lot of snow, but it looks really, really pretty and it makes me feel all festive and cozy and happy that the holidays are on their way. Everything honestly looked like the inside of a snow globe. You can see the snowflakes flying around all crazy and the beach looked so serene and beautiful. You guys already know that I'm blasting snow on the beach when I walk by the beach, and I think it's especially cool because the beach actually isn't frozen. Last year around this time it was frozen, but this year you can still see the water, and I don't know why Elsa does this. She just shoves her face in the snow every once in a while. It's kind of cute. It's kind of weird. I'm not going to judge. To each their own, right? The one thing I really, really love about winter is when you get home after being all cold, you can sit by the fire, have a tea, have a hot cocoa, get all nice and cozy, or if you're Steve, break icicles off the roof.
Whoa.
So Steve and I just had lunch. I had a cancellation, surprisingly. The client just didn't show up, so I'm gonna get some admin work done again. I said that really weird. Admin work done again because I have lots to do. Then I'm gonna shower after my next class, which is from 3 until 4. So I really only had one class today from 9 till 10. And then I danced, and then I went for a walk, then I had lunch. Then I was supposed to have somebody at 1. They canceled. I was supposed to have somebody at 2. They didn't show. And now I have 3 to 4, and I have somebody at 6 to 7, and then I'm done, and I'm teaching tomorrow morning first thing. I'm gonna continue the vlog till tomorrow as well. Today's Friday, which means tomorrow is Saturday, and Saturday I teach the littles. I can't vlog those guys, but I will take you along with me throughout the day because tomorrow I'm teaching from 9 a.m. until 12, and then I'm teaching again at home from 1 until 3, so it's basically 9 to 3 tomorrow, and then we're gonna decorate our Christmas tree, so I'll definitely take you guys with me for that. But yeah, back to admin work. I can't lay around. I also have to tend to this laundry, the bane of my existence. Okay, bye. Fun fact, I actually did not get to that laundry. That laundry is still sitting on our bed to this day, and I'm doing this voiceover on Saturday. Yeah, gotta get to that. Anyways, after teaching my 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock private, I had to shower because I was just feeling kind of greasy. So I washed my hair, showered, got ready to teach my final client of the night, which was from 6 p.m. until 7. I always snack throughout the day, so I actually didn't record like 90% of what I ate in the day. I actually can't stop eating these. They're so salty and so delicious. Ugh, I'm obsessed with these. What are you two doing? As you guys know, Saturday mornings I have to wake up a little bit early to go and teach in the studio from 9 a.m. until 12 p.m. But because we had so much snow, I woke up around 6:45 or 7, so I had ample time to shovel the snow, aka get Steve to shovel it for me. Thank you again, Steve, for helping me get out of the driveway. Someone's exploring a lot today. What's happening? What a cutie. So it's about 3:30. I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here and say thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I know this vlog was pretty short, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over.